Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn a Google Docs document into a mind map instantly using MockFlow IdeaBoard in under 2 minutes. Here's the Google Docs document we'll be using. It contains an e-commerce mobile app project, and we'll convert it into a mind map with just a simple prompt. Let's get started. Inside the IdeaBoard editor, click Ask MIDA and open the connections. From the list of available integrations, choose Google Docs and click Connect. Sign in with your Google account, click Allow, and you're all set. Your Google Docs account is now connected to MIDA. Next, enter the prompt, turn my Google Docs e-commerce mobile app document into a mind map. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, MIDA analyzes your document and turns it into a well-organized project board. Your ideas are automatically grouped into actionable tasks that are easy to edit, rearrange, expand, and collaborate on with your team. And that's it. Instead of manually organizing everything, you can instantly transform your Google Docs into a visual project board and start planning right away. Give it a try with your own Google Docs and see how easy it is to organize projects with MockFlow IdeaBoard.